Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up a Gnosis Safe multisig with Safe, Core, Export, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Gnosis Safe multisig, navigate to the Gnosis Safe interface. Log into your Gnosis Safe account using your preferred method of authentication. Once logged in, locate the Settings tab on the main dashboard. Click on Settings to access the configuration options for your safe. Next, find the Export option within the Settings menu. Select Export to proceed with the backup process. You will be presented with options for exporting your safe data. Choose the Safe, Core, Export format for a complete backup of your multisig. After selecting the format, click on the Export button. The system will generate a backup file containing all necessary information. Once the file is ready, you will be prompted to download it. Click the download link to store the file securely on your device. Ensure that you save the file in a secure location to protect your assets. After downloading, verify that you have the full backup file. It is advisable to make multiple copies of the backup in different secure locations. Review the contents of the backup to understand its structure and information. Your Gnosis Safe multisig is now successfully backed up using the Safe, Core, Export method. Store this backup in a safe place to ensure you have access to it when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.